So today we're going to be making a much needed, long awaited update to the shop. We are updating the lighting. So we've had these fluorescent lights since I've had the shop, since 2009. And it just doesn't put out enough light for what I need. So I get a lot of natural light from the windows, and I usually leave my garage door open when I'm working. But at nighttime, it gets pretty dark, especially in these corners, and it's hard to see measurements and stuff. And then also, I usually have to power cycle the light switch to get the lights to come on. So we're gonna be updating. I bought these LED lights from Amazon, and I saw them in a video, Shop Nation video from a while back, and they seem pretty good. It's a 6-pack, and the price is pretty reasonable. So we're gonna try those out, and hopefully we'll get some better lighting in here. So these are the Barina brand light that I purchased from Amazon. I got the 4-foot lights, and they came as a 6-pack. I believe I paid $48.99 before taxes for them. I'll have a link in the description below for these. The color for these are the super bright white. You can also get like a warm white, a daylight white, and then maybe one or two other colors. Again, these are the 4-foot lights. They're 2200 lumen, 20 watts. They do have some other links, but I think 4-foot is the longest that they have. You can also link 8 of the 4-foot lights together. I'm only doing 3 on each side, but we may add in the future. They're pretty easy to install. They just have 2 little clips that you attach to wherever you're mounting these with screws, and then the light base actually clips into those clips. Now, I was missing 2 screws in the package. I had all the clips, but I was 2 screws shy from what I actually needed. All right, so we have the lights installed now. It is the moment of truth time. We're either gonna have some sparking because I didn't know what I was doing, or we're gonna have some new lights. So let's see. Oh, it'd help if I turned on the breaker. Glad I turned it on. All right, so breaker's on. Let's see. Moment of truth, let there be light. Haha. And I can already tell it's much brighter, even in the daylight. So that's good. It worked. It's working. So I did 3 on one side and then 3 on the other. And technically I could add 2 more, but we'll see how this goes. Here are some before and after pictures. It's kind of hard to see the difference with the camera, but trust me, there is a difference. A couple things to consider if you do plan to go with these lights. These lights are only about 1 inch wide, so if you're replacing old fluorescent setup like I had, just keep in mind that you won't have a way to cover up, with the lights at least, your ceiling box where your wiring is. So you may want to come up with some kind of alternate way to cover that up. Also, the pigtails to hardwire these are only about 6 inches, so you don't have a lot of room to work with as far as where you position it in correspondence with your ceiling box. But overall, I would say I'm very pleased with these lights. They have given me a lot more light, especially at night. I usually work more in the afternoons, nighttime, because I work full time. And so I found myself moving to where I could get some light on my project a lot. So this will be nice to have. However, I now see all the dust that's on literally everything in my shop right now. So very pleased with these lights. Hope it helps you if you're looking for this kind of solution. As always, if you enjoy the video or think it may help, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.